It smells like egg. The Japanese egg sandwich or tamago-san is a favorite thing for many people. But what if you don't eat eggs? I believe everyone could enjoy the tasty food at the same table. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a vegan version that tastes just like a real thing. First, let's head to the shop. Don't worry, I've chosen ingredient you can find easily no matter where in the world you are cooking from. Next, we need to find the yolk. I chose an ingredient my long-living grandparents eat almost every day. That is Japanese pumpkin. Now we got perfect ingredient for yolk. In this video, I will share crucial tips to make every part of this sandwich better. Honestly, I made many mistakes before I found the perfect recipe, so don't miss them. My first tip is to use raw pumpkin always if you can. I experimented with frozen pumpkin first, but it just didn't give that vibrant, beautiful yellow that makes a tamago-san look so iconic. After chopping small, let it steam until it's soft. If your chopsticks go through the pumpkin easily, it is a sign that it's cooked perfectly. Let's check the pumpkin. Ideally, they're soft and have a beautiful yellow color. They look so delicious, right? While cooling down the pumpkin, let's prep the egg white. We are using tofu here, not just for the color, but because when prepped right, the texture is remarkably similar to a boiled egg. After the pumpkin cools down, we need to remove the skin. The skin is very nutritious, but we don't want the green color in our egg yolk. Please don't throw it away. Set it aside. We can eat it separately later. Now we mash the pumpkin gently until it becomes smooth paste. Next, the creamy magic. You can use store-bought vegan mayo, but for the best gut health benefit, I make my own mayo taste dressing for this. It's just soy milk, rice vinegar, a pinch of beet sugar, and oil, whiskey until it emulsifies into a thick, glossy cream. Finally, I added this special salt. This is not normal salt, but it makes a big difference. To get the sulfurous egg smell and taste, there's only one choice: black salt. It smells like egg. The timing for adding this salt is very important. My tip for this part is add your salt at the very last second. If you mix the black salt into the dressing too early, that unique eggy aroma disappears. Sprinkle it over the mixture just before you spread it on your plate to keep the flavor bold. I have to say this pumpkin yolk is even better than I thought. Somehow you don't taste the pumpkin at all. My memories of Japanese egg sandwiches go back to when I was a kid. I loved the taste, but I was actually a bit ashamed to eat them in front of my friends. They have such a unique smell, maybe you can relate, but over time, I stopped caring, and now I can eat them anywhere I go. I hope everyone enjoys this recipe anywhere in the world. For my next video, I'm going back to share my recipes inspired by my 95-year-old grandma and grandpa who just turned 105-year-old. So I'll see you soon. またね!